Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, so welcome to season 2 of Get Fit with Clark. Another thing that you can do is the back pedal and shuffle. This is a great technique for basketball, football, baseball. What it is, you want to start shoulders, knees over your toes so you're balanced. You don't want to get too far back. You can fall back, break your wrist like I did in tennis when I was a kid. Anyway, that's what you want to do. The way it starts, you start back, shuffle side to side, feet together, and you got to do it on both sides. Back pedal, shuffle. You can do that. You can do like a long set where you back pedal, shuffle, back pedal, shuffle, back pedal, shuffle. It's a great one, especially in basketball. When you're playing basketball, you're going to be defending somebody, so you're going to back pedal and they're going to get right into you. Like their shoulder, they're going to be like right here, just getting into you. So you've got to be in front of them, you know, shuffling. Back pedal. Keep your hands out. Hands out. Block those pass lanes. That's what you got to do.